students, welcome to my channel and you are watching The Ultimate English Teacher. Today in this video I will discuss about the top 10 weekly current affairs from 31st May to 5th June 2021. So listen it very carefully and see it here. So next, suspended IPL 2021 to be held in October 2021. The remaining matches of IPL 2021 will be hosted by BCCI between September-October 2021 in the UAE. Next, China ends its two-child policy. China ends its two-child policy. The Chinese government has now allowed each couple to have 3 children by putting an end to its two-child policy. COVID-19 variants first found in India get named. The World Health Organization named the COVID-19 variants that were first found in India. The variant B1617.1 has been named Kappa, while B16172 has been named Delta by the Global Health Agency. First human case of bird flu reported in China. China has reported the world's first human case of H1N3 bird flu. A 41-year-old man was found to be infected in eastern Jiangsu province of China with the bird flu strain and was hospitalized after developing fever and other symptoms. Post-approval bridging trials waived off for Pfizer and Moderna. The Drug Controller General of India has waived off the requirements to conduct post-approval bridging trials of the coronavirus vaccine by foreign firms. Next, Arun Kumar Mishra appointed as chairperson of NHRC. The former Supreme Court Judge Arun Kumar Mishra has been appointed as the new chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission. Next, NITI Aayog releases SDG India Index 2021. NITI Aayog released the 3rd edition of the Sustainable Development Index and Dashboard. Next, Central books 30 crore doses of coronavirus vaccines. The Health Minister has booked 30 crore doses of biological ES COVID-19 vaccines. Next, Artemis Accords signed by New Zealand. The New Zealand government has signed the US-led Artemis Accord with NASA. Model Tenancy Act. The Cabinet has given the approval to the Model Tenancy Act. It has been done in a bid of streamline the legal framework for the process of renting a property in India. So students, I have discussed about the current affairs. So I think it would help you. So subscribe the channel and push the bell icon. You will get the next videos very soon.